Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
When you leave a job, you might wonder what to do with your old 401k. A 401k rollover is simply moving those accumulated retirement savings from your old employer's plan, often into a new account like an IRA. This important process lets your money continue growing, tax-deferred. It grants you more direct control over your financial future, a common and beneficial step for many changing careers. So why would you even consider rolling over your 401k? Well, when you leave a job, your old plan might have limited investment choices, or perhaps higher fees. A rollover lets you consolidate all your old retirement accounts into one easy-to-manage place, often into an individual retirement account, or IRA. This gives you greater control and often a wider range of investment opportunities for your future. There are two main ways to complete a 401k rollover: direct or indirect. A direct rollover means your money moves straight from your old employer's plan to your new account. With an indirect rollover, funds are sent to you first, and you then have 60 days to deposit them into a new qualified retirement account. Choosing the direct method is generally simpler, helping you avoid potential tax withholding surprises entirely. One of the biggest advantages of rolling over your 401k is simplifying your financial life. Instead of having multiple accounts scattered at different institutions, you can bring them all together into one spot. This often means you'll have more investment choices and potentially lower fees, giving you better control over your future savings. Plus, seeing everything in one place makes managing your retirement much less complicated. Before you decide on a rollover, it's wise to consider a few things. Look closely at any fees associated with your current plan and compare them with the potential fees in your new account. Also, explore the investment options available to you, ensuring they align with your financial goals. Sometimes, a quick chat with a trusted financial advisor can provide valuable guidance, helping you navigate the process smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.